One of the most common causes of a misfire with a muzzleloader is when that small hole in the breech plug gets blocked with soot or corrosion. With these brake action muzzleloaders, it's real easy to visually inspect the breech plug hole and make sure it's free and clear. One way to help keep this breech plug hole free and clear is to fire off 1 or 2 primers with the rest of the gun unloaded. The small explosion from the primer can push out any contaminants in that breech plug hole. Another thing that I sometimes like to do is just take one of those cans of compressed air and blow air through that breech plug hole too. I always like to check that breech plug hole every time before I load the muzzleloader.